So my husband was dead set on us getting a ranch style home because he said, we're getting older and our mobility may not be what it's used to be in our younger years. So it just makes sense to get a ranch home. So in thinking of that, we decided to add handrails to both sides of our little porch. We already have some relatives with mobility issues, and also it'll just give a helping hand, a little guidance as you're coming up and down the steps. So I'm just showing the layout kinda. My husband was saying that he wanted to incorporate a piece on both sides to balance it out. So let's see what that's going to look like. Sneak peek, guys. I'm just getting home. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, it looks nice. Okay. Oh. Okay. It looks nice. Oh. Huh. Okay. I really couldn't picture this. I was thinking that the pillars were somehow going to be wrapped around it. I don't know what I was thinking. But yeah, definitely makes sense. And what my husband said, do over here, made sense. So yes, it looks nice. Looks very nice. I like it. I like. Please ignore the fact that this clip that you're watching right now and are about to watch are the same clips that are in another video that I am uploading or will upload. So yeah, once again, I'm at Hobby Lobby shopping for some porch decor, some fall decor, 50% off fall and winter decor. I will be headed back in here to pick up some stuff for Christmas decorating. So I did not know they had a man cave area. So I didn't really see anything that fits my husband's style. So I didn't grab anything from that area. They had some cute mugs too. Those mugs were cute. They had a few nice ones, but I didn't grab any. But I should have grabbed this little furry thing here. I should have grabbed that. I may have to go back. But this is one of the pillows that I picked up for the porch. So I'm not good at this decorating stuff at all, but here's what the area is looking like right now. Last year, I made the mistake of buying my mom's Fully Bloomed. This time, I made sure I told the young man to make sure that they had a lot of buds on them. So that is what he did. So this is what the area is looking like right now. It's not going to stay like this. You'll see in further clips. I'm not good at decorating at all. I see other people and they do such a fabulous job, but me, it's like I just don't feel as though my execution fits the vision in my head, but I do my best. So I moved some of the mums around and I added a harvest sign to one of the little tables. And I had to actually zip tie the pillow to the chair because I didn't want a good strong wind to come and my pillow be down the street in somebody's front yard. But this is what I have so far. The checkered rug actually got stained from the rug on top. It started bleeding through. I did wash it, but the stain didn't come out. So I do need to pick up another one to have as a backup. So right now I'm just showing you all some of the stains and things that we have on the porch. I know this is a little bit backwards, but we hired someone to clean our pavers. And basically the guy stood us up. We had to reschedule one appointment. And then look at the oxtail juice my father-in-law spilled. We're going to get all that up. But anyway, he basically stood us up. So we had to hire another company to come in and clean it. So we decided to not go with the ultra wet look. We wanted to go with the semi-wet look. The guys came. It took them a couple days. The first day, they just cleaned it really good. They were able to get all of the surface stains up. And they actually replaced 2 bricks that had gotten chipped somehow. So this is what not the ultra wet look is. So it's like a step down from the ultra wet look. So this is what it looks like. My only complaint is that they didn't clean up all the sand. Daryl had to actually hose it down this weekend to get rid of all the sand. But overall, we are very pleased with the job that the guys did. It did take a little bit of drying time, like 24 hours. But yeah, we are very pleased with how it came out. We would definitely recommend them. But like I said, the only complaint was that they did not clean up the sand. He actually told Daryl if he called him, he would come back and clean it up. Well, why wouldn't you just clean it up when you saw it all over the ground? That was pretty weird. So we are happy. We moved some of the mums around again. My husband decided he wanted to put the mums back right there instead of how I had them. And I'm going to let that man live. I'm going to let him live and keep the mums the way he has them. That's what we're going to do. I want to thank you all so much for clicking on this video. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. If you're a returning watcher / subscriber, hello and welcome back. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I hope that you'll consider hitting that subscribe button. And also, everybody, please turn on your post notifications. I am a very busy working woman, but I am trying my best to get more videos edited and uploaded. Thank you all so much for watching.